Story tonight at 10 o'clock, a new twist in the Delphi double murders case. Fox 59 has learned the judge overseeing the case has been in and out of the hospital now for several weeks.
Now, this is happening as questions have been raised over whether she should stay on this high-profile case. Fox 59 learned from court officials that Judge Fran Gohl was hospitalized on November 2nd for a, quote, urgent medical condition. That was just 2 days after Richard Allen's last appearance in court in Delphi.
Allen is charged in the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German in 2017. Court officials confirmed Judge Gohl spent several days in a Fort Wayne hospital and has been working from home ever since being released. The next hearing isn't until January, but her current court calendar has been handled by other judges. The court says Judge Gohl expects to return to the bench soon, but it's not clear how or if that will impact the pending Delphi trial. There's also been a lot of legal back and forth in this Delphi case, including a battle between the judge and the attorneys who originally represented Richard Allen.
Fox 59's Max Lewis has been speaking with some legal experts about how all of this could affect the push for justice. So, Max, what are experts saying here? Because ultimately that is what so many people are waiting for, especially the families of those two little girls.
Yeah, Beershell and Dan, plain and simple. They say that the infighting and the explosive allegations in this case only really hurt the chances of getting justice for not only Richard Allen, but Abby and Libby as well.
In the little over a year since Richard Allen was arrested and charged in the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German, so much has happened that legal experts say is way out of the ordinary.
Nearly everything that has happened thus far is in the highly unusual category.
Chief amongst them is the ongoing saga between Richard Allen's original defense team and Judge Fran Gohl. Last month, the defense lawyers say Judge Gohl forced them to withdraw from the case or face being fired over leaks of evidence. She eventually did fire them and appointed Allen two new attorneys.
I think the type of tensions we've seen between Richard Allen's former appointed counsel and the Judge Gohl, are very rare indeed. I would even say more unusual than highly unusual.
Allen has asked the Indiana Supreme Court to reinstate his original attorneys. That's just one of two motions the state's highest court is weighing in on in relation to the Delphi case. Yet another thing that Madeira says almost never happens.
These matters are usually worked out between the judges and the counsel, and they rarely rise to this level.
Madeira says aside from making for juicy headlines, these controversies can affect the ultimate goal of the justice system, the justice itself.
It is absolutely not justice for the wrong person to be found guilty, and it is not justice for the right person who actually is guilty to be let go on a legal technicality.
The delays in the case not only delay justice for Richard Allen, but the families of Abby and Libby as well. All of them stuck in a legal limbo that Madeira says has gone off the rails in just about every way possible.
Everyone's interest rides on doing this once and doing it right.
Now, getting this case back on track rests with the Indiana Supreme Court, who will have to decide if Judge Gohl stays on this case or if the original defense attorneys are reinstated. Both of those things could actually happen. Madeira said hopefully once some of those issues are decided, things will be a little bit more normal. But so far in this case, the next twist still always waiting around the corner. Dana Beershell.
All right, Max, thank you for breaking that down for us. Now, Allen's trial is currently scheduled for next October, but there are still many outstanding issues that need to be addressed. So for all of our coverage of this investigation and how Abby and Libby are being remembered in Delphi, you can head to fox59.com.